In this video, I will show you how to earn free USDT on Bybit. So if you go to the Bybit section, there is an option which Bybit gives you to just do some tax and Bybit will reward you with USDT. So let me show you step by step where to get the place. So where to start. Go to this your profile. After you go to your profile, so the first thing to do, you tap on this rewards hub. So under this rewards hub, as you can see now, there is different tax that Bybit gives you to start. So if you scroll to down like this, as you can see now, these are different tasks that Bybit allow you to do. After you completed the task, Bybit will reward you with some USDT. As you can see now, here are different tasks. If you want, you can tap on this start button. So as seen, this is a game. So after you complete this game, Bybit may reward you with some USDT, sometimes 5 USDT, 3 USDT, and sometimes even above than that. So if you come to this option now, as you can see, it says daily alpha trade. So if you trade like $100 or above than $100, you'll be able to get some reward. If you want to accept this challenge, you tap on this accept button and they'll give you the condition for the tax. After you complete the tax with their condition that they give you, you may get the reward. So if you scroll to down, here are all the different rewards. You can tap on this tax section at the top. So under the tax, so if you look at this option now, as you can see now, there are different tax. So as you can see now. So if you look at this option now, this is daily check. So Bybit will ask you now to come on every single day and check on this option now. If you tap on this check, so after you check, now Bybit will ask you to do this check for 20 days, or here is it now for 7 days. So each and every day Bybit will give you this, as you can see now, this reward. I think this is a new coin that Bybit add in this option. So every single day they will give you this coin, 20, 12 plus 10 plus 8. So different every single day, different amount. So for today, as you can see now, after I tap on this check button, so for today, if you look at this option now, it gives me this mark. As you can see now, there is a green mark in this option which says that I have done for day 1. So day 2, day 3, day 4, day off to day 7. After you complete day 7, so from there they will ask you, or they will give you the next step for you to redeem your reward that they gives you, or for you to show you, they will show you maybe a method to convert the coins they gives you as a reward for the daily check that you have been doing for a week. So you go and just check all this process and accept the one that you want to, you are capable to do. After you complete, from there Bybit may reward you some USDT. And if they reward you USDT, you'll be able to find your USDT if you go back in the asset section. So if you come to this asset in the Bybit, so you'll be able to see the reward in this funding. Most of the time, your reward will be at this funding section. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.